I gotta take a break now. Yeah. Come on. Relax. Take a break. Body not before you would. No. Body not before you would. No. When you do that thing, take a break. When you go to work, take a break. Body not before you would. No. Body not before you would. No. Hey, I need my rest now. I be how you see now. Take a break. I gotta take a break. Yeah, I gotta take a break. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your home girl Queen Eagle Brandt, aka Ice-T, Omo Naija. Wow guys, today I will be making Owo. What is Owo? Owo is a very delicious African meal from Nigeria which you can use to eat your plantain, potato, and so many things like cocoyam and so others. You can even use it to eat your eba if you like. Guys, how do we make this owo? You can just blend your tomatoes and other things, put together with your potash and oil. Your owo is ready. Wow guys, if you really want to know how to prepare this delicious African meal, follow me up now and watch me while we do the cooking. These are the stockfish, is already steamed and the water was straight away. And this is my fresh tomato, and so I will scrub it to this. And this one is my onions. We need onions to make it work well. Crazy fish, crayfish, And this is my potash. I need this one to make it thick. And this is my plantain. Wow. I have 3 pieces of plantain I want to cook. Potato, Irish potato. This is the red oil, we're gonna use this one to make the owo ready.
I'm able to say saborelu. I'm able to say saborelu. Ono popore kaka, okaka budo. I'm able to say saborelu. I'm able to say saborelu. Say saborelu, ono popore kaka, okaka budo. I'm able to say saborelu. Butter my bread, sugar my tea. Jesus no give say back with me. Jesus no give say back with me. Jesus no give say back.
a very lovely, beautiful one, you know. With potash and oil, your owo can be ready anyhow you want it. And here we have Irish potato and white plantain. It is very delicious. Guys, you see how I was sprinkling the olive oil on it because olive oil is very healthy. So guys, this is my salad. Step down. Father, we thank you for the food, oh Lord. We bless your name. Wonderful provider. Eat with us in Jesus' name. Yeah, guys, the food is ready. You guys can really actually join in as well. I enjoy the letting together. You understand? Because this is Africa and the baby. You need to wash your hands to enjoy the department of swallow. So I'm starting with my plantain. My plantain. So this is how to eat your owo. Owo everywhere now. Enjoyment. Guys, see? You just take it like this, you know, just like you're eating your pounded yam. Just take your Now this is very simple. Now we don't waste time. This is plantain, potato, and your meat. Right. If food is too sweet, you can actually try and go to the market, buy your plantain, buy your Irish potato. You can use any kind of things like coco yam, different kind of yams. You can use it to eat your owo. Guys, this is my father's best food though. Wow. And I know how to cook this food long time ago. So I'm eating it, it's sweeting me. Plantain is very rich. It has iron. It's good for your bones. Not only your bones. Guys, this is the potato. Let me enjoy this before I say goodbye to you guys. Wow. Women, try and be cooking this one for your family. With this, if you cook this for your husband, your husband will not be eating outside though. Wow. So now you can really cook it well. You will always come back home asking for more of your food. You see? Even your children. It's sweet to me, it is sweet to me, my belly. Guys, it is sweet to me, That na happy stomach. As I dey eat and my stomach, it dey dance. Jun 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 jun. It dey ask for more, but I'll take care because I don't want to get fat stomach. My vegetables. I have to enjoy my department of digestive. You know now. You need to digest it. So, guys, this is good though. It's good for your body. Wow. Your hands and clap your hands. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Anyway, guys, that will be all for now. If you haven't subscribed to my Happy Stomach and More TV, please guys, it's time to do that. Subscribe, and hit the bell. Don't forget to put your comments there. It's your home girl, Queen Eagle Brands, aka Iced Tea, Omo Naija. Guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.